Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Super Beauty Desires, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's start today's video. So today's video is all about the Glamigo box unboxing. Yes guys, today I'll be unboxing my October Glamigo box. So today I'm very much excited about this Glamigo box because October is the month which is my birthday month also. So I'm very much excited to receive this Glamigo box October. So let's see what are the products I got in this October Glamigo box. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit like to this video because I will be bringing up so many good videos in future. So stay tuned to my channel. So guys, this is the box that they have given us this time. This is the outer covering of the box. Let's see inside which type of box they have given us this time. So let's see quickly. So wow, this is the box they have given us this time. This is quite looking like a festive season box because Diwali is just around the corner. So the theme is very well going with this festival theme. So let's see. So the box looks very sturdy itself. It is very beautiful and will be very useful to store something in this box. I will be storing some jewelry or some kind of other kind of stuff in this box for sure. So let's see what are the ingredients they have included this time. So these are all the cards which they have given us. This is the list of all the products. Then they have some contest going on there, which says win 6500 rupees of worth lipsticks from international brand Manna Kadar. Happy Diwali. So about this I will be telling you later. Then next they have given us 20% off on shop Aroma Magic. Then next thing you get here is 250 rupees off if you purchase from the Nature's Company. So this is the coupon code for there. So let's see what are the ingredients inside this one. So first of all, I see here is this thingy that is very beautifully bubble wrapped. So let's open it and see what are the products inside this one bubble wrap. Okay, I do not need scissors. So first of all, I just want to talk about this product here. Okay guys, so first product here I see is this Ultimate Chubby Stick from Bella Voste. So this is the product that is formulated in Italy. It is written here that it is formulated in Italy and the packaging is quite good. The outer covering is quite good. Let's see what is the product inside. And okay, we get the shade Barbie Pink 03. The shade number is 03 and the name is Barbie Pink. So let's see the product. How does it look like? So I'm super duper excited about this chubby stick and the shade is looking very nice. And let's see what's the shade. Okay, so this is the shade. I must give you the swatch here. Quite good, and this is resembling with the wine color, I guess. So this is the festive season, so it is quite apt with the festive season because it is a retractable pencil and it does not need any sharpener. So it is a mess free product because if we use sharpener again and again in our chubby stick or lipstick, the most of the product get wasted. So I like this product. So the packaging and formula is looking just like good any other brand, good brand in India. So big thumbs up from my side. This product is this from the Nature's Company. This is the cherry lip butter and it is quite a nice product. I see here it soothes and protects your lips very much because as you all know that winters are approaching from the November, so we do need something for our lips. So this is the consistency of this product. So this is the consistency of this product, quite good, and I must say that it is the very nice product they have included this time because we do need something which is very much good for our lips skin. Its price is 495 rupees and the price of that crayon was 499 rupees. Let's see the third product. Third product I see here is this Aroma Magic face wash and the ingredients are white tea and chamomile. So these are the very rare ingredients that are included in any of the face washes. I see it is a very good face wash because it is gel like consistency and some small particles are also included in this one. So it will be giving some good exfoliation to our skin also. and its price is 80 rupees. So yeah, I'm very much excited about this product too. Let's see another product. So next product here I see is a very good bubble wrapped. So let's open this one and see what is the product. Okay, so this is quite messy because it is spilling out from the tub. So yeah, this is the bath salt. This is the orange bath salt, and this is from the company, the Nature's Company. Thankfully they have bubble wrapped in this one because it is spilling out somehow, I don't know why. So let's see what is the product ingredient inside it. So this is this kind of bath salt. So this lovely fragrance is so nice, so refreshing fragrance. So this is the bath salt orange, and yeah, I like this product. And the price of this product is let's see what is the price. The price is 153 rupees. Okay guys, so next products I see here are from IHT9 company. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I think they have included some of the products from the their previous Glamigo boxes. So I get these two products, one is shampoo and one is conditioner. I have already used these products. These are very good for our hair. So one is for 55 rupees and the shampoo is for 65 rupees. So this is also a nice product they have included this time. So I'm super duper excited because they have given us 6 products this time. So let me include all the products here. So these are all the products that they have included this time. So all in this box we got above 1500 rupees of products plus 250 of voucher and chance to win 6500 rupees of Manakada lipstick plus 25% voucher, all for Diwali. So that is a great deal guys. Go for it, go for this Glamigo box subscription this time because this is the mostly recommended box from my side. And some that 6500 rupees of contest is also going on, so you can also enter that contest, and it is just for 299 rupees if you subscribe there, and shipping is all over India free. So guys, this is the perfect gift for Diwali. If you want to gift it to your mother or to yourself, please go for it and buy this Glamigo box, October Glamigo box. I'm super duper happy about it. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit like to this video, and please share this video with your loved ones. Till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish. Bye bye, see ya, take care, bye, and happy Diwali in advance. Bye.